type of video that is going to be called, like, challenges or something.
You're not facing the camera.
Yeah? Oh, wait. Okay. Oh my god! Sorry, Nancy.
It's okay. It just scared me.
Hello, guys, and welcome to a new type of video that we're going to call... You guys can comment down below.
Tentatively, sound effects challenge.
Yeah, so I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing. Basically, we have the actors and we have the sound effects makers. Sound effects makers have to make sound effects, and the actors have to act out prompts from this therapy in the jar.
jar.
Okay, then you guys pick.
Ooh.
The acting stools.
Oh, wait. This is hard.
Fun.
All right, you guys are... Okay.
I'll read
Might
it.
need to read that.
Yeah. Okay.
Sticky note.
You see a killer clown that you think is an old childhood friend, so you do weird things that only your friend would understand.
Oh, very interesting.
Oh my gosh.
So, do you guys start out and we just do sound effects whenever
Are
then?
you gonna be the killer clown?
Just assuming. Yeah,
The killer clown, right? Teddy, no!
Just so you know, this is not a part of anything, so... I just want to see Davis running in his underwear out the window.
Teddy!
Hi, buddy.
Teddy, come here.
Yeah, the place we're recording.
He's just out of frame, so it looks like we're just looking at. You don't know what we're looking at.
I'm hooking you up.
Hook up that bad boy. Wanna stop? Oh no. Teddy!
Fourth. Me and dog. I just want to see Davis running in his underwear out the window.
Teddy!
Hi, buddy.
Teddy, come here.
Yeah, the place we're recording.
He's just out of frame, so it looks like we're just looking at. You don't know what we're looking at.
I'm hooking you up.
Hook up that bad boy. Wanna stop? Oh no. Teddy!
Fourth. Me and dog. Me want to kill human. Well, before we do this, I want to say...
Who's the killer clown? Who's the old friend?
Old friend? You're gonna be the tall killer clown that's just gonna be like towering over me.
It's extra scary.
Yeah.
Extra spooky.
That's gonna be...
Davis is a killer clown.
Yeah.
That's an old friend of yours?
No, I
thinks it's an old
think
friend.
it's an old friend.
Thinks
So
it's an old friend.
So I just do weird
But
things
it's a
that
killer
only
clown.
my old friend
But
does.
it's a
Classic mistake.
Yeah. All the time. I see clown face paint. I'm like, oh, that must be Jeff.
Jerry.
Oh, yeah, Jerry. Jerry, Jeff, something with the J. How's it going?
Whatever, we were in algebra together.
Jamillian Johnson, that's me.
Wait,
All
so
right.
you think I'm your friend?
Yes.
But you're really a killer clown.
I'm not your friend, I'm a clown.
So is he trying to kill you since he's a killer clown?
Yeah, but I just keep on doing weird things that he's just like, okay.
Like secret handshakes that he doesn't
Yeah.
know? All right,
Cool,
all right.
cool, I get it.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
Ha 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 ha.
Hey, is that you, Jeremy? Is that you?
Yeah, it's me, Jeremy.
Hi.
Honk, 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 honk.
We're not even like 3 minutes into the video and we're all laughing like hysterically. What kind of rave is that? Jeremy, do you know what kind of rave that is? I know you used to party all the time in high school.
I did.
And and you went crazy with that apple juice.
Look at the size of that cow.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna go milk that cow.
Ow!
I'm gonna go milk that
Okay,
cow.
well, I want to catch up on little things. Remember how we did that secret handshake?
Boing.
Yeah, I do.
What's that guy doing over there?
Wait, over
Rubbing
there.
that weird clown.
There's nothing to see. Don't look at us.
He's not a clown, and he's never gonna try and stab me with a knife that's protruding out of his eyeball. Okay, but wait, I want to remember all 88 of our secret handshakes.
88.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120,
Each one's a secret.
Wait, you said 88 handshakes. This is just one handshake.
99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104.
There's more clones where that came from.
Ba-ba-bum.
I may have bet.
Are you even Jeremy or are you a John that I hated after second grade because you peed on my shoes?
Really happened to me.
Is this fiction anymore?
The lines of reality are blurring.
Art
know
is
what's real.
imitating life, or is life imitating art? Well, that seemed good.
I had my face touched a lot.
You traveled back in time to see your 10-year-old self, but you were more a smart aleck.
Can you be
So
my
you
10-year-old
say-
self?
So you say sassy responses until your time-traveling grandma comes.
What?
Wait, what?
There's too many characters!
Wait, there's only 2 of us, and there's 3 characters.
Teddy can be the grandma.
Why don't we just do the 2
10-year-old
people
self.
without the grandma?
Yeah, sounds good.
We're kicking grandma to the curb.
Yeah, bye, grandma.
Kicking her
Wait,
under the.
so
You're good. Who wants to be the 10-year-old?
I'm you. No, you're me from the past.
This is the best thing
So
ever.
you're the 10-year-old. You're the 38-year-old.
It would be the best if this was Magnus and David. Because it would be basically true.
Oh my goodness.
I told you we should have paired up. But that's fine. What else was doing, Nancy? Alright. So you're you, and I'm your 10-year-old self.
Yes.
Wow!
Here I am in Alabama in 1958 when I am 10 years old.
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, I used to love to play my banjo.
Ding, 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 ding,
Flop.
ding, ding.
Hello, me. How are you?
How do I know you're me? Me?
Because
You?
look at this birthmark of Alabama,
Oh my goodness, you're right!
right?
Anybody could draw that on with a mere Sharpie.
Feel it.
Oh, that feels just like my birthmark. Do it again. I want to feel it one more time.
There you go. Oh look, they're getting the mayonnaise ready.
The mayonnaise?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I remember
The mayonnaise is
it's
almost
my daily
ready.
chore. Our family works on a mayonnaise farm.
Yeah.
We work very hard to procure mayonnaise for the masses.
Yes. Oh, good. They're shooting the mayonnaise pigeons.
That's supposed to be
Will
a
the pigeons
bottle.
ever stop?
That was supposed
Tell
to be
me,
a
me
bottle.
from the future, will the pigeons ever stop?
Oh, the pigeons never stop.
Oh, no.
We only get better.
Oh, good. Do you have flying cars from where you're from?
Oh no. No, we just drive the pigeons now.
Wow. The pigeons have become a bigger part of my life
The
than I-
horses, they're coming
Ah.
by to eat the pigeons.
Oh, the horses can fly?
Yes.
Oh.
Of course they can.
Ba 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 ba.
Oh, they're going into the army. The great pigeon.
Oh my goodness.
They're all drowning. I remember this dramatic moment from Alabama. Oh man, and I love this song.
What song is it? I'm from Alabama, 1958.
George Michael.
Who is George Michael?
This guy.
He's a 0-year-old right now. He is, in fact, a 0-year-old right now.
Well,
We ended with George Michael. I don't know how much better we can do.
Okay, on to the next problem.
Okay.
I'm
You
scared.
have a lawyer that has a 3-year-old running around in court.
wow. Is it his 3-year-old?
Yeah.
Can I be the 3-year-old? Can you be the lawyer and I'm the 3-year-old?
Yeah, though.
Can I be a 6'4" 3-year-old?
Yes.
As you are
Exactly
now.
who you are.
3 years old.
I want 35! I want 35 chimichangas!
Wait, can I actually? Yeah, 3-year-olds talk, right? Start talking at 3, right?
Yeah.
Before
I got
3.
some words. So, for the sake of this,
You got some words.
some words. You got some words. For the sake of this,
I like chimichangas.
for the sake of this, you can speak.
All right.
I used to speak all the time when I was 3.
All the time. He remembers. All right.
I was just talking to Leslie. Hey, how are you doing? How you doing, Mama?
Bang, bang, bang. Order in the court.
Hey! Okay. Time to start court. Who is crying? Why are you playing the accordion? Wait, that's not the accordion. That's the keyboard. Why are you playing the accordion keyboard?
Guitar?
What smells like a poopy diaper?
sorry, Pie. I'm sorry. I can't help it.
Stop riding around in it and start playing leapfrog on all the people's heads.
Rabbit.
No, okay. Why did you bring a frog out of a horse's butt? Why do you have a toad? Wait. That's just frogs, isn't it? At least you're being dismounted by the horse.
You're being dismounted.
There's a duck. There's a duck. Wait. Where's the duck?
Okay.
I gotta find the duck.
Okay. I need to start going.
I'm just gonna hold this duck.
Boo.
Now the reason he is not guilty.
Don't boo my ducks. Don't boo
guilty.
my duck.
The reason he is not guilty is because you did not see them at all.
The duck is guilty.
In that footage.
The duck is guilty.
Where did that duck come from even?
Is it
Why is there a pentagram in there? Why is there
the duck on trial?
Why is there bird number? A pentagram? Why is there so many things?
That's so.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's what the pentagram. That's what the pentagram was for. Be alert right now, or you'll die again. No, the pentagram's here. The pentagram is. No, he's gonna fall. Oh god.
Oh no! Oh!
Oh.
Sebastian ran to your aid. All right. And scene.
You work at a company that sells companies and a boss that sells bosses.
Wait,
You're gonna
say that again.
You're a
Slowly,
company.
please.
You're a company
We weren't ready.
that sells companies,
Okay.
and you're a boss that sells bosses.
So I'm the boss that sells bosses.
I don't get why he gets to be the boss.
You're right.
Boss privileges.
Oh.
Boss privileges.
I just deflate.
Company privileges.
Ha!
There you go.
All right.
Wait, I'm confused.
You're the boss that sells.
You're a boss trying to sell me bosses, and I'm a
And-
company that's trying to sell you companies.
All right. All right.
Chopping onions.
Oh, I see. That company you have there called Chili's. They make really good onions. You're
Do
right.
you want some onions?
Flop flop.
I suppose that Cheryl McFernherd would be a great boss for this.
Let's stop beating around the bush.
Oh man.
I got companies and you need
Well,
them.
do you have a company that can beat my bush?
I think there's a bomb planted somewhere in one of my companies.
Oh, no, I'll get a boss to help you.
Oh yes, only a boss can find the bomb.
Yeah, it's
Hi, welcome to
You know-
Chili's.
It's in Chili's.
Bob is in Chili's.
I won't sell you Chili's just because I know there's a bomb there now.
Okay, good. Can we liquidate Chili's then?
Yes.
Perfect. Is there a
Eat
button?
it, takes a couple hours, liquidated.
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 Cool. So I will tell
Hi,
Cheryl
I am a
McFernherd.
salesman that is selling you internet. Please buy because I'll rip you off.
Are you gonna go with that? Oh wow!
Wow.
You should buy the internet.
Hey, I'll take as much internet as you got. Give it all to me. All my companies need internet.
Yeah.
All
Yeah,
my companies need
yeah,
bosses.
all my
all your
boss-
bosses need companies.
Yeah. So
Wait.
we're all slaves to the internet.
Wait, guys, I'm just a normal
Basically,
passerby, but I think
my internet is overacting. It's acting up a little bit.
guys, I have a perfect solution for you. You guys should just work together and sell things together.
That's one specific sound effect. It sounded like someone talking.
Did you hear that?
Oh,
my
together
goodness.
with
We
my
will be-
companies.
And my bosses.
You
We
guys
will rule the world.
You know, guys, you.
The internet. Oh no.
Sales are going up.
They're booming.
They're busting through.
My
you
The roof.
bosses
You
are
only
promoting
own
so
three
many
franchises.
people.
You
And my
only-
companies are selling so many things.
So many
You only own
companies.
three
Yes,
franchises.
so many companies.
You only
Do
own
the
three
companies sell
franchises.
companies?
I'm the company that sells the companies.
Oh,
No, companies
okay.
are growing.
You're
Yeah.
you only have three franchises.
Only 3.
But they're really good ones.
Chili's, which is liquidated.
Yep,
Staples.
Google. Aw. You called my bluff.
I'm loving
Big
it.
boy.
I'm loving it.
And McDonald's.
And Mickey D's.
2 food, 1 office supplies.
And you have
But together, with your bosses, we can elevate them
Elevated.
and rule
and
the
you only have
world.
three
Yeah.
bosses, so you guys just
We're our own bosses. And our own companies.
Oh God! I'm getting attacked by a
And I play
horse.
drums now.
I'm being attacked by a
Invisible
horse.
drums
I'm being
that
attacked
are
by
weirdly
two.
spaced.
I'm being attacked by two. Why am I being attacked by two horses?
Oh man.
Oh,
You don't own the horse
no, the
company.
horses
do
I
you?
have a
don't.
lip.
They're trying to
That's
steal
so
our
sad.
business.
The horses,
Trevor.
the horses have a lip.
Trevor
That's
the
so
horse
sad.
company.
They have two legs
We got
broken.
horses.
They have two legs broken.
Oh no. Do you own the hospital company? The one?
No, but I was in talks of purchasing them.
Well, you better, because the horses broke 2 legs.
Both
Wow.
of them.
Their own legs or someone else's?
They're attacking me.
It was
They're
not
attacking
specific.
me.
Wow. So we
Maybe
might need a
both.
horse doctor or a human doctor.
I think
I'll
they
buy
can do
both,
the same
just in
thing.
case.
Good,
No,
good,
I'll buy
good.
both.
Okay,
We gotta
good,
be
because
safe.
business is booming.
Business is booming. Oh my gosh. They shocked the horse for no reason. All he had were broken legs, and they're trying to stop his heart.
And they say cleared. I like it.
Oh,
Yeah.
All right.
That was a while. Well,
That was a wild
That was a
ride.
while.
I hope you guys.
Tile, straighten up.
If you guys like that, then comment down below. And if you want more of this, then we'll probably have more. But we have a few more prompts. But if you want to write your own in the comments below, that means you want more of these videos, and that you want your own prompts. And
Comment a bunch of prompts, we'll pick a couple.
If
We'll do
they're
your
good
prompts.
enough.
If enough people write them, it's on you.
Come
Yeah.
on.
yeah.